Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular black. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, meow, 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 I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. Hi, man, a brethren is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never going to see a Jamaican guy that grew up around a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, wappening. Not going to happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's... You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me 2. Is it ripe? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon. Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here, yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, good pum-pum deserves shelter. I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to like them a Yankee. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now, my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican said, I'm frightened.
the women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney? I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man. Thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is... Sit down! Talk about hijack your mother! They hit it with the pussy, you know me? Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Appiah is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong. Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I go kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a tarate, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. Today, we're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kid. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for three things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you in your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man, you caught them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel me foot, come on me blood clot, Ross class. And me say, come on!
Ladies and gentlemen.
And the Jamaicans here, but I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. Go find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man. I gotta say, what up?
Thank you for watching that video, guys. Welcome back. Now, somebody has just disrespected the Jamaicans, and we all know when you talk bad about Jamaicans, we all know what happens. So, before I talk too much, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marcos. Remember, if you're watching this video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Now, an American comedian has just disrespected the Jamaicans, and we all know when you try to talk bad about Jamaicans, they don't let that go, because these people, the unity they have, the oneness they have, they don't let disrespect go free. So I managed to get that viral video from some of the top Jamaican comedians. I hope you have seen how good they are in comedy. They are good comedians. So they were trying to imitate how they do things. Some were trying to answer that American comedian who tried to disrespect them. I remember there's a video I did about that woman, Miss Netta, who tried to disrespect the Jamaican food. You all know, you all saw the videos of what befell her. So the Jamaicans did not let that go. So one thing I like with Jamaica is that when you disrespect them, they don't let that go. They don't like disrespect. They are peaceful people, loving people. We all know everyone loves the Jamaican lifestyle, how the Jamaicans do their things. Around the world, people have been trying to copy the Jamaican patois. Even the Americans themselves, they have been trying to copy the American patois. So I think they are now hating. I don't know why. So globally, people have been trying to copy the Jamaican way of life. So we all know everyone loves Jamaica. These are loving people. We love their lifestyle, their culture. So I think that black American gonna get whatever he's gonna get, because the Jamaicans, when you disrespect them, they won't like it. So black American comedian gonna regret trying to disrespect the Jamaicans. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love.